This application is a database created on Zoho, and basically it's a back-end database for a principal of a school which offers A levels, and it's for teacher requesting specific dates for vacations. So these are the teachers. This form is basically for the teachers of when they want to submit their vacations, and the reason why they submit days off is because the school has excessive as an excess amount of teachers and in comparison to classes, and the reason to this is because the school needs a certain amount of teachers, otherwise the international body would allow them to offer A levels, and this would be catastrophic. So this is how the teachers would input their data. So for example, a teacher logs in, chooses, let's say, one day, submit. This data will automatically go to a report as seen over here, and then now the report is only visible for the principal. You can accept or reject, and this is the calendar. So when a request has been accepted, it's green. When it's been rejected, it's red. It's gray, and when it's pending, it's red. So this is the teacher information. This is where teachers would basically log in and submit their details. This is the student information, and this is for teachers. So students are not allowed to access this. The teachers would input their names, year level, their IDs, and the average grades, and then it would all end up in this report. Note that this is made through a spreadsheet because this Zoho creator uses spreadsheets, and the tables and records will be submitted later on. So okay, let me just demonstrate of how queries have been used. So for example, the headmaster wants to know which teachers have requested, let's say, 3 days and such. And it filters out which teacher and whether the status, whether it's accepted or rejected. Now, coming on to more calculated tasks, the this report. So, for example, that teacher which I demonstrated earlier, whenever they submit that, it immediately goes into this report where the headmaster sees it, and then on their email, which I kept as my email, a message comes as request received, the date that he entered, and then this is a default message from the principal, and then the principal will accept or reject, and it's from Zoho, just to prove that I haven't sent it to myself. And so the macro works in such a way that if it's accepted, then a confirmation email saying, for example, earlier on, um, request accepted, great news, or if it's denied, then this is what it would say: sorry, your vacation request from so and so date has been rejected. And then if there are any queries, please contact the principal. And I used my peer's email, and I had to take a screenshot because of privacy issues. I needed his consent, and this was how the macro was created. These are simple steps. This is the format of the email, and then there was some scripting, and this was the relationship which was created. It was a relationship between teacher vacation request to teacher information. Themes can be created up here. There's a selection. I chose this one because it seems more appropriate to a school setting. And so something else that I would like to demonstrate is the what happens. Okay, so this is the range. So 73.9% of the teachers have taken 0 to 8 days off, and 26.1% of the teachers have taken 8 to 16 days off. And another thing that I would like to show is when a teacher, let's say this teacher wants to, let's a ridiculous amount, let's say 5 to 6 weeks, which is around, let's say an example, that 5 days, it would immediately reject.